Have you ever felt stuck or confused about how to use theme settings on your HubSpot website? Well, today we are going to walk through how these settings work in HubSpot theme. Hi, my name is Krishan and welcome to this theme setting tutorial. Right now we're inside the Design Manager. So let's go to main folder. So this is the root folder. Go to child theme. So if you don't know how to create a child theme and work with a child theme, I've created a separate video how to create your child theme in HubSpot. It is a very important topic, so make sure you go and check it out. So back to the video. Go to your child theme and click this preview button. After that, you'll get the editor option. So inside the editor, you see the bunch of settings here. This is all of the settings available in your theme. So this one is the global settings, which defines from here only. So I'm gonna break to one by one settings, and at least I implement one setting so you can understand better. Let's go first with the global colors. First, you define a body colors, body background colors, then a primary color. Primary color is all of your paragraph, div, ULLI colors. Then secondary is all of your headings colors from H1 to H6. Then accent color. So accent color is a highlighted color which is used across your websites. So in our case, this line below the consenting, this is the highlighting color, or maybe this one as well. So let's change and see that if it's working. Over here and choose yellow. Yes, so this one is the highlighted color, which is used some particular places. Undo the settings. Save. And below it, you get the dark mode colors. So if you enable the toggle theme switcher, light and dark, like this one, then you set the color here. Or if you didn't switch enable the settings inside your header, ignore this setting. You can ignore the settings. So inside of it, you get the background color, primary, secondary, and link color. So this one is global color. Now let's go to font. So this one is primary font. Primary, again, all the body text, just like the paragraph, the div colors, and the secondary is all heading colors. Let's go back. Now the website headers. So most of the settings available inside the header, but in the theme setting, you can define the colors here as well. Just like the social colors here, you can add here a link color, the link hover color, the search color. You can set the border, input border colors. So here you can set all of the colors inside the theme settings. Here you can get the contact details. I believe this one. Yes. So inside the theme settings, you get color options in header. Rest of the settings are available inside the header modules. And I've created a separate video with this header tutorials. If you don't know how to set the header, please go and check it out. Let's go back. This one is the header. Then typography. So here we get the body text, which is all the paragraph, again, div, ULLI text, and the heading from H1 to H6, and the link colors. So in headings, we get the one more additional option, which is change mobile in font sizes. You can set the font sizes in a responsive, because this theme support a responsive as well. Just click here and change for mobile. I've set the 28 pixel by default it is 28 pixel. You can change from here. The line height is 1.5. So these settings are available in all headings, heading tags from H1 to H6, I believe. Yes. You can set the your font, the sizes, the custom sizes, the colors, the underline tag, everything. Let's back. This is the typography, then the button. So inside some of the module, you get the button options You can customize it on your own way, or you can use primary or secondary options. These settings are available inside your module. So in primary options, you can set the colors, the borders, everything inside the button which you want to prefer, the corner radius, vertical padding, and you can set the dark mode as well. So if you use the dark mode, then only you set this, or you can ignore it. Then you can set the secondary as well. Same settings available just like primary and secondary. The button is done, then the form. So in our case, in order to see the settings is working in the form, let's go here and see form. Okay, we're gonna select the different template. I'm gonna choose the contact because contact has the form. Okay, so this is the form. Let's change the background color, this, and change the opacity to 100%. Click here. It will refresh the page and the settings will be implemented. Okay, so background color is working. You can set another settings here, different type of settings: header color, text color, label color, help text color, privacy, fields, so many settings available here. So this one is first, you have to, it is a bit annoying, but make sure you set this settings because this defines all of your website. Spacing, you can add spacing, and maximum width, maximum content width for larger monitor. So this one is implement if you have a bigger monitors, like say a 4K monitor, which resolution is maybe 2500 pixel with a viewport. Then form is done and spacing. Yes, so I forgot one thing to mention. So this one is maximum content width. This one is the if you set your section to be boxed. So in that case, you set here a width. In Siloh Pro, there is a settings available 1240 in below 1920, which is the standard screen size, and this one is a 4K resolution. So this is pretty much it, the theme settings, and I hope you understand from this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.